Kia ora. If you're a shareholder employee receiving weekly compensation, here's what can affect the amount you receive. Your declared liable earnings. Weekly compensation is based on earnings you've declared for ACC levies, sourced from inland revenue records. PAYE salary or wages and end-of-year salary allocations count as liable earnings. Filing your tax return. If you haven't filed your last completed tax return, we may make estimated payments for up to 3 months. Once you file, we'll reassess and adjust for any overpayment or underpayment. If your income differs from last financial year, weekly compensation is based on up to 80% of your declared earnings from the last completed financial year, not what you're earning right now. This means changes to your income during the year may not be reflected in your payments. Minimum and maximum weekly compensation amounts. If your compensation is below the minimum, we may be able to increase it to the full-time minimum rate if you qualify. These limits are set by law and updated each year, so check our website for the latest figures. If you work or earn while getting weekly compensation, we adjust your payments so your total income doesn't go over what you'd normally earn. This adjustment is called abatement. It keeps things fair and reduces the risk of overpayment. If you have multiple income sources, we recommend talking to Inland Revenue about a secondary tax code to make sure you pay the correct tax. And finally, if you have Cover Plus Extra, which is an optional paid cover where payments are based on your agreed cover amount before tax and deductions, not your filed earnings, this can be useful if your income varies from year to year. Here's the key thing to remember. Payments can change based on your earnings, if you filed your tax return, and if you've worked since your injury. Contact us if you're unsure. We're here to help. Here's a summary of what we've covered. Payments may be based on an estimate or your filed earnings. There are minimum and maximum amounts we can pay, and Cover Plus Extra lets you tailor the level of income you want covered. In the next episode, we'll show you how weekly compensation is calculated if you're a shareholder employee. To learn more, visit our website. Hoke mai anō.